Welcome back. Here is how you can make extra income using Opera Mini's built-in mini apps and features. So once you open your Opera Mini, tap into the profile icon and click on rewards, Opera rewards. So once you click onto the rewards section, you need to check available daily missions such as browsing the web, reading daily news article and claiming daily check-in streaks. So you read articles and you get coins. So complete this daily task regularly to accumulate your Opera reward points. Open the built-in mini app wallet inside your browser. Set up or link your account using your phone number. Once you reach the minimum points threshold, convert your Opera reward points into stable coin balls directly inside your MiniPay. Keep a minimum balance inside MiniPay to qualify for available weekly ordering rewards and bonus payouts promotions. So withdraw or transfer your stablecoin balance from MiniPay directly to your local bank account or your mobile wallet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.